Okay, here's the front entry. Stairs that come up. Stairs that come up. We've got this lovely patio with a really nice open area. Really nice orientation to the sun in this home. Plantation shutters throughout, really nice high volume ceilings. Nice big dining room. And then a nice pretty kitchen. Travertine stainless steel. Looks out onto the balcony, which again is real pretty. Nice little wine chiller. And then you've got a storage closet here. Secondary bedroom here. Again, pretty sunlight. Nice carpeting. And yard wardrobe. And the washer and dryer is located in that cabinet. It's a stackable linen closets. And then your master bedroom, which is quite large. Oh, there I am. And little desk area. Alcove. And then the master bathroom, which has a, actually it's the only bathroom, it has a hallway door as well. Medicine cabinet. And again, washer and dryer is stackable. Laundry time, apparently. And back out to the living room, which is quite lovely. The lighting is what's so amazing about this place. And then again, back out to the little patio. And your garage is directly across the way. Second one from the right. And that is 126 Hartford, Newport Beach, California.